How to cancel your Adobe subscription. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's quick tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to easily cancel your Adobe subscription. But before we get started, don't forget to hit the like button down below and subscribe to the channel. Now let us jump right into the video. The very first thing that you want to do is simply open up your web browser, and here you can just search for Adobe, hit enter, and then open up the first link that you see to log into your account. And as you can see here, I already have logged into my account. So what you want to do here is tap on your profile icon at the top right corner. And then from here, head over to Manage Account. Now it will open up another tab where you have an option to manage everything on your account. And when you get to your account manager, you have different options on the right side of your screen. But what you really want to do is head over to the top, and here you'll find different tabs like Overview, Account and Security, Plans and Payments. You just want to head over here and click on Plans. Now, if you have any active plans, it will be shown right here. So all you have to do here is you have an option to cancel. So just press on cancel and your plan will be canceled automatically. And that's pretty much it. I hope you found the tutorial helpful. I'll catch you guys on the next one.